Hi, everyone. Welcome to the Explore AI series. Today, we have Simon Jelley, VP and GM at Veritas, joining us to talk about our AI powered operational assistant, Veritas Alta Copilot. Simon, thank you for being here.
Very glad to be here, Varun. Thanks for having me.
Awesome. So, Simon, Alta Copilot is significant in terms of how we're bringing AI to our customers. Can you share a little bit more about the vision behind this strategy?
Yeah, absolutely. Look, we know AI is a transformative technology within our industry and being applied across. And the key is we're looking at how do we provide AI technology in a transformative way for our end users. And the way we've launched with Copilot is to really focusing on three problems that we see in the space that customers are struggling to keep up with the pace of change and the pace of data volume in particular. So number one, how do they ultimately handle that key data management job, right? Understanding the value of data, understanding now the threats in that data, given the huge rise in volume and vulnerability of that data itself. So that's where we've already started to apply LLM models in terms of helping with anomaly detection, for example, within our product. What then Copilot adds to that is really solving two additional areas. One is when it comes to the day-to-day task of managing backup recovery, that day-to-day job, frankly, of nowadays maintaining cyber resilience and recovery, how do they solve that skills gap that we see increasing within our customers? New industry IT experts coming in that don't have deep expertise in backup and recovery. So the Copilot Assistant is there to provide that assistance in doing that job. How do I do reporting on the success of my backup job so I know that I'm ready for recovery? How do I set up the environment itself? And then thirdly, as we ultimately move forward, it's how do we drive that automation, right? So initially it's just an assistant, hands on the keyboard are still from that human. Then where do we look to provide the automation in that? So again, rather than someone manually having to provide backup and recovery reports, they can just ask in natural language, give me the current success rates of my backup jobs, and it automatically provides those reports itself. So again, we're really helping in terms of one, transforming the data handling, making it very easy. Two, democratizing the skills needed in terms of being able to provide backup and recovery. And then three, making the job of the admin itself much more scalable by automating those tasks around data management.
I love the focus on making our customers' lives more easier, regardless of experience level.
Right.
Whether you're a seasoned expert or someone just getting started, also Copilot can make your decisions much more informed.
Absolutely, yeah.
So, Simon, what are some of the strategic goals behind this launch and what's next?
Yeah, so number one, again, the launch of Copilot is to really bring that assistant, right? Again, helping provide the day-to-day jobs, just make it easier for you. So there's a few key things that we are doing with the initial launch of Copilot. One is being able to query the interface through a natural language, be able to ask for help on doing the day-to-day tasks, right? Adding a new workload like M365. How do I do that? Guide me through the steps. Again, I need to show to my execs the success rate of my backup jobs so we know we can recover and plan that into my business continuity planning that the exec team's looking at, making that very easy for you to do. And then number two, again, is being able to get the power of the interface quickly in the hands of the customers, simplifying the user experience, right? AI is just part of an overall alter goal that we have of making it day to day much easier to use the platform. Ultimately, then number three is the automation of data management, where it's appropriate, where it can ultimately reduce the time that you need to be manually and bring value is automating data management. And that's the ultimate vision for where we see AI playing in the broader Alta vision that we have for our Veritas solutions.
Fantastic. Thank you so much for those valuable insights, Simon.
Thanks, Varun.
With Alta Copilot, we are simplifying data management with the power of AI. Check it out in action in the demo linked below.